Good morning. Today I'll be talking on a very important topic, and that's called challenge to change. Now, you see what happens, people want to change, but they don't want to change immediately. Now, what happens is, first of all, we have to understand what is change, and if change is uh, not clear, then you will never change. The definition of change is come and have a new growth experience. Uh, why people don't change? Now, let me give you certain reasons. The first of the important reason is they have got personal limitations. They think that they cannot change. And what happens is, जब वो समझते हैं कि मैं चेंज नहीं हो सकता, तो वो उस पर विश्वास करना शुरू कर देते हैं. इसलिए जब भी कोई चीज़ चेंज होने की बात आती है उनकी थॉट प्रोसेस की, आइडियोलॉजीज़ की, पैराडाइम्स की, तो दे फील रिलक्टेंट. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज पर्सनल लिमिटेशंस. इससे बाहर आइए. यू कैन चेंज योर आइडियोलॉजीज, योर थॉट प्रोसेस, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम इन योर लाइफ. Then comes is unrealistic expectations. People think if I change, what will happen? And then their expectation is often unrealistic. They think that क्या करेंगे बदल के, हम जैसे हैं वैसे हैं. बनना चाहते हैं दूसरों के जैसा, पर बनना नहीं चाहते, जान पाते कैसे बनते हैं. थर्ड रीजन इज इमोशनल स्ट्रेन. अपने दिमाग पर बहुत वो ले लेते हैं कि अगर मैं शुरू से सीरियस रहा हूँ तो वाई शुड आई बिकम जॉवियल्स और मस्त हो जाऊँ या खुश हूँ, या लेट पीपल टेक मी वेरी सीरियसली. एंड मुझे लोग बड़ा सीरियसली लें. अरे भाई, जब तुम अपने आप को सीरियसली नहीं लेते हो तो दूसरे कैसे लेंगे? इफ़ यू वांट पीपल टू टेक यू सीरियसली, इज यू हैव टू बी सीरियस इन लाइफ. But I would say being serious is not always good. So this was the third reason. The first was personal limitation. The second was unrealistic expectation. And third is emotional strain, but I would say severe emotional strain. Now the fourth is lack of motivation. They are not motivated. And what happens once you are not motivated, then you will not change. Because change is always for some motivation. Otherwise people don't change. This is a problem. बहुत से लोग क्यों नहीं बदलना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि उनके पास मोटिवेशन नहीं है. वो अपने दायरे से बाहर निकलना नहीं चाहते. और ये इसलिए होता है कि जिसको हम बोलते हैं फिफ्थ पॉइंट, दैट इज दे हैव एडजस्टेड देयर पर्सनैलिटी विद सम मैलाफाइड पर्सन. किसी ऐसे, अब जैसे मैं एग्जांपल आपको देता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग ऑफ द रूम. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स में बात करता हूँ, तुम स्मोक करते हो? तो बोलते हैं यस सर आई स्मोक. व्हाई डू यू स्मोक? सर वो जो पॉस्चर है वो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है मुझको. ओके, तो बट यू डोंट वांट टू स्मोक रियली, बिकॉज स्मोकिंग इज साइकोलॉजिकल नीड, इट्स नॉट अ बायोलॉजिकल नीड. सो बट नहीं, वो पकड़ के बैठना, स्टाइल, और वो अब वो चली आ रही है. आप देखिए, मैं आई नो सम पीपल आर माई, आई वुड नॉट नेम देम, but my uncle, right from my childhood, he used to smoke like this, and till date he smokes like this. So I told him, चलिए आपने सिगरेट तो नहीं छोड़ी, but change the style, do like this or do like this. नहीं, वो नहीं करेंगे. उसका रीज़न ये होता है कि certain times they are feeling some obstacle in their minds, blocks. वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को एनवायरमेंटल ऑब्स्टिकल मानते हैं कि हम बदलेंगे तो पता नहीं लोग मेरे बारे में क्या समझेंगे, क्या होगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजन वाई पीपल डोंट चेंज. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज, आई वुड से, इज रिपीटेड फेलियर्स. इफ यू हैव फेल्ड मेनी टाइम्स, then you will never change, because there is a very famous quotation, if you want to change your life, you have to change the way you think. If you want to change the way of your life, you have to change the way of your thinking. And people don't want to change their thinking, hence they are not able to change their life. Anyway, one other important reason is, which I say is poor childhood trainings. In childhood, certain mindsets are made in our minds. जैसे हमारी कुछ हैबिट्स होती हैं, हमारे कुछ थॉट प्रोसेस होते हैं, सोचने का नज़रिया होता है. Whenever we see a problem, we enlarge it. It's a mindset. You don't want to change. Otherwise, some people देखते हैं बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो, इस बड़ी प्रॉब्लम में तो 3 छोटी opportunities हैं. So this is another reason. Then there is one lack of, I would say, perspective. They are not clear as why should I change. You have to be, if you want to become someone, then you have to, I would say, think about that person or that image, and you have to copy. You have to assume, because I always say, if you there's a very famous quotation that if you want to make it, fake it. If you want to make it, fake it. Once you make it, you don't need to fake it. So this is one. And social attitudes are also very important. People don't change because they don't want to change their attitudes, and I often speak a lot on attitude because the first thing for your change. So the most important thing about change is that change begins with a choice. If you don't have a choice, then you will never change. And if you have a choice, then you will always change. So change always does not, I would say, change does not necessarily assure progress. Change does not necessarily assure progress, but every progress requires change. And until and unless you will change, you will never move from one place to another. So बहुत दुख होता है मुझे जब मैं देखता हूँ काबिल लोगों को, पढ़े लिखे हैं, they are sometimes PhDs and they are highly intellectual, educated, learned, knowledgeable, full of wisdom, but they don't change. Because changing is very difficult, very, very difficult. And normally human beings don't like to do difficult things. So if you have to change, then you have to do certain things like you have to learn a new thing. At the same time, you have to unlearn something and relearn something. So that is most important, and bus, I will not speak much on that because these are small videos when I talk about people. So thank you, goodbye, and all the best. Take care and do good in your life. But one thing I'll definitely say, that if you want to change the way you live, you have to change the way you think. So if you will not change, then it will be, I would say, problem for you and problem for your success roadmap. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Yes, that's okay. Now let's go